Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. If you guys enjoy any Supreme streetwear sneaker related content, go ahead and subscribe down below. Smash the like button as well while you're down there. That would definitely mean a lot. But at the end of the day, that's totally optional. Now, if you guys don't know, I am currently in a joint giveaway where we're going to be giving away a Supreme Spring Summer 18 black backpack. I believe that's going to be done in like 12, 11 days maybe. So go ahead and click that Gleam link down below. That's going to be up right before you know it. Now, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to process 2 orders when it comes to Supreme at the same time. I'm pretty sure you guys know that when you're checking out an item, it takes a long ass time to process, and you can't check out another item while that one's in cart because it's gonna show up in your cart as well. Now I'm gonna show you guys a little jig that I have to check out 2 orders at the same time, and you could basically go back and forth between pages to keep checking out orders. I'm also gonna show you guys 2 quick tips to help you check out even faster than we already do with Chrome autofill. Now let's not waste any time, let's get straight to it. Alright, so there's 2 steps you have to follow in order to check out 2 orders at Supreme at the same time. The first one is going to be to go incognito, but when you go incognito, you're not going to be able to use Chrome autofill unless you do this next step that I'm about to show you right now. So you have to go to the 3 dots on the top right hand corner of Chrome, click that, then go to more tools and go to extensions. Now here you're going to see all the extensions that you have on Google Chrome. You have to go where autofill is and click details, and then go to where it says allow an incognito. This is basically going to let you use this whole setup when you're on incognito, because if not, you won't be able to use any of your extensions. So what I'm going to do is allow it, and I'm also going to allow access to file URLs. I believe that this prevents them from thinking you're a bot or something, because it lets your URL actually go through and it's more secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Now basically you're all set to go. Now when you open incognito, you'll see that you have the little spark at the top right hand corner, which means that Chrome autofill is actually installed. Now I'm gonna go to Supreme New York and double check that it's working, just so that when the drop comes, I'm not all like, what the fuck just happened? Boom, now I'm on the website. I'm gonna try to check out anything. Got this medium, bang, and as you can see, everything is filled out. I'm obviously gonna blur it out just so you guys can't see it, but it does work. And this is what I used this past week to cop 2 orders at the same time. I managed to get the parka and I managed to get 2 accessories that I actually did want, so you can use this to your advantage. Now please don't go on StockX and sell your shit for $20. That's all I'm asking. I'm trying to help you guys, but please just help us at the same time. So I basically just showed you guys how to check out 2 things at the same time. Now I'm gonna show you something different, which is basically 2 tips that I use to save a couple seconds when it comes to the Supreme drop. So there's 2 separate tips that I also want to show you guys to help you save a couple seconds when it comes to checking out, and that would be to press the Command R if you're on Mac, or F5 to refresh the page instead of going all the way up to the refresh thing, because that saves you a couple seconds when it comes to going up and back down to the item. Now that's the first thing. So you could basically hover over the item and then just click it as soon as it's there. And the second thing is, if you're in the US, check the live cops that people in the EU make, so that you can basically get a feel of where the items are going to be before they actually drop. So when it came to the North Face parka, I knew where exactly it was going to be because I watched the live cop and I saw that it was the first 3 pieces. I saw exactly where the silver was, so I just hovered right over that spot and I pressed Command R since I'm on Mac, and as soon as it loaded, I basically clicked the item and I had it in my cart. That saved me at least 2 seconds, and that's crucial when it comes to Supreme. Remember to press Command R or F5 to refresh the page, and also check EU live cops to see where the items are located, all that type of stuff. That definitely helps. And you think that is something minute when you think about it, but when you really put it into action, you see that you have to go all the way up, go all the way down. That's 1 second. Now refreshing saves you a second by itself, and when you have to look for the item, that can take you a couple seconds. That's definitely going to be very helpful when it comes to checking out at Supreme. And to process 2 orders, don't forget to go incognito and allow the Chrome autofill in your extensions. And that's pretty much it, honestly. So that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and slap a like on it, share it with your friends, comment down below if you feel like this is going to be helpful. It definitely is for me, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this type of content. That would definitely mean a lot. Now if you know people who like this type of content, share it with them, because we can only grow at a faster pace, and that's definitely gonna help the channel out. But I don't want to waste no more time. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.